Back to another video. Today we're going to be lifting the Canam and installing spacers. We already did the lifting part. You'll be seeing that later. Right now we're doing the spacers. I already did the back ones. Now we just need to do the front ones. So I actually have no idea where the spacers went. So we'll be back. We're back. But we have the spacers this time. So these are advertised as 2-inch. But I did install some 2-inch spacers last time. And they felt like the other ones were a little bit bigger. So here they are. $100 for all four. Pretty cheap. So we're gonna put these on, not by lifting one side each, because that's gay. We're gonna lift the entire. We are gonna lift it one by one. Because we're pussies. So Zeno has like 20 inches of travel. So it's gonna be a little while. So we have a little break down there to speed it up. Actually, no, it's done already. So we have like a 1/2-inch lift in the front. Not too much because we thought it was gonna be higher. Come over here. Come over here. So right now what we gotta do is remove the tires, but this one is too big. But it's the only one I have, so we gotta make it work. So we gotta persevere. Oh shit, okay, whatever. I don't even think that one was on. Okay, so the first step, take off the tire. Boom. Did that. And this is a 33-inch tire, by the way. We did upgrade from 30s to 33s. How does it ride? It rides a little more caca, but it does the job. We're a little higher now. Or you can cut the video. So now, we're not gonna add any Loctite or none of that, because I don't have any. So, all you gotta do, it's kind of simple to do. That's all you do. And you put these back on. These are gonna replace the lug nuts for this section, and then your original lug nuts are gonna go on these. Ooh, I didn't notice that. So the Canam logo does stay in there, I guess. So you're probably not gonna see that anymore if you do this. If you do have a Canam and you do this. So I put it on the wrong one there. But very simple to do. There you go. That's all you gotta do. I don't really care of pattern or any of that right now because I'm in a hurry. So, alright, and just like that, spacer. Cut. Heavy. Lift it up with your feet, which I'm doing right now. There we go. Boom, and that's it. So we're gonna show you how it looks before and after. We didn't record it before, so we're just gonna show you after actually. Yeah, we'll be back. We're putting on the last one. So this is the 64-inch model. So it's gonna be 68 inches now because we got 2 inches on both sides. Well, so we say. But I don't know how long these spacers actually are. So we'll see if that's true. Stop recording. All right, so we did it. I can't really tell the difference. I mean, like maybe a little bit. But 4 inches wider all around now, or 2 inches on each side, so 4 inches all around. This will help with not flipping, and maybe performance-wise, not really. But let me show you how it looks from the back. And we didn't lift it off from the back. We just did 1/2 inch in the front, and that's it.
Hey, all you're gonna turn is this one, huh? What's the laughing?
Hey, what are you doing now? Huh? What are you doing now? You doing the bottom one? Mm-hmm. No, not the bottom. The bottom one you do with this. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, wait, no, honest. Put your ass over here. Cute. Come here. Wait, what if I just record you with fucking hands ready?
You got it though. It's for YouTube. You're my mechanic.
Your views, nigga. I was fucking said it. This is how the fake is.
Oh, catch that. Fucking guy. Today we're gonna be lifting the Canam. It was kind of a fail.
Like, you have to like give us a little warning, bro.
A warning about what?
Like we're gonna make a video.
No, but
you can't just like
why?
Like,
You
we're
saw
not
me
even-
with the
we're
phone
not even
out.
dressed for it. Yeah, bro. We're not.
But you
Like,
kind of expected
I need
it.
to go buy like a button-up shirt. For that looks like I'm working.
It looks like you're working.
Look at April. Looks all serious.
Why are you getting me serious? Today we're working on the Canam. We're lifting it by how much did we lift it by? Fucking an inch and a quarter? No, that's not even how much we lifted it by.
Not even the inch. Bro.
Actually,
not even the inch, bro.
we lifted it, but it looks the same. It looks a little higher. It's already done. We're gonna show clips. But I'm gonna just cut this in half, so one side's at the end of the video. So that's the end of the video. It was a fail. I had my two workers right here. They didn't do too well.
Wait, I'm lost.
I'm lost too, bro.
Just I'm recording the end now.
You recorded at the beginning and then right at the end?
It didn't work out. It didn't work out, so we're gonna take off the we're gonna take off the struts off his Mustang, put them on the Canam. So it's gonna be a race one.
My Mustang.
Here?
Look at this dude.
Okay.
Otra vez, bro. What are you doing?
Bro, the video's gonna be like a minute long. I gotta ask shit.
I thought it was over already.
Me too, bro. You said goodbye.